Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to you guys. This is the first video we are dropping this year, so happy new year to you guys. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Adeshewa Abiodun, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know you have my heart already. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. So from the title of this video, you already know what it is. Yeah, you know how much I enjoy unboxing. So this one is actually dear to my heart. Before we go into the unboxing, let me give you guys a quick backstory. January 2024, I started saving up for a new laptop, and in August 2024, I got sick, like terribly sick. So I used all my savings to settle hospital bill, so I could not get the laptop last year. In December, on Christmas Day, I met one of my uncles and I told him I needed a laptop, and he promised to get back to me. On January 14, which was on Tuesday, I received a message from him, and he told me somebody was coming to my area, that the person is going to call me. So when the person called, the person was like, I should come to so place to receive the package, which I already called my mom. I told her about the whole thing, and she was like, no problem, you can go now. So when I got there, they just handed over the package to me, and I called my uncle that I received the package. So getting home, I just opened the light up because it was wrapped. So I opened the whole thing, and voila, I got a brand new laptop. Like, what God cannot do does not exist. This year, I've been telling God that whatever I'm saving up for, that God should just help me to be able to accomplish it. Because last year, I was not happy about that. I saved for a laptop and I used the money for another thing. So in everything you are saving up for, just tell God that, God, I beg, this thing I'm saving up for, let me use this money to do that particular thing. Because you know, plans can change. But I'm happy that I got this laptop for free, something that I had saved up for that I could not buy, and this year I got it for free. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please go and hit the subscribe button. This year, help me hit my goal. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Is it too much to ask for? But anyways, I'm leaving everything to God. This year, it is me and God. I'm leaving everything to God. Without much talk, let's get right into the unboxing video. I already unboxed before this particular video. Today is Sunday, so I think I unboxed on 16th of this month. Yeah, I got the laptop on 14th and I unboxed on 16th, which was on a Thursday. So today is Sunday. So let's get right into the video. Guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, because at some point I got tired setting up the whole system because it was taking much time, and I unboxed it midnight and I had to sleep because of work the following day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little setup I did with you guys. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.